Alright, so it starts with a box like this. You know, we gotta paste these together, make them stronger. So we cut out little blocks like this. Why don't you just buy some pre-made boxes? Those pre-made boxes cost money. And do you want me to raise the price of the floats you buy? Alright then, so be quiet. And my friends, this is why you don't see me doing too many fishing videos right now. Alright, so the glue, it's just hot glue, a couple of streaks there. Really, get on the table. Just put it there. Glue gun I got from just like, I don't know, Home Depot or something. That's together. It's just a simple matter of folding that up. The start was cutting out the top of it. Come on. Fold it down. Hot glue. Lots of hot glue. There we go. That's one end of the box. In with the products. Again, this is a double order. The customer ordered 36 floats. And we're going to put them in an extra long box. Actual order form. Sometimes the box comes with that extra flap on it, and I'll just take it and fold it over like that. See, strong package, so no matter how they throw it down, it's always going to land on one of the broad sides. You got some strength because it's a triangle. And that, my friend, is how I ship your floats. How I make them from beginning to end. If you're interested, check out the website, the various special sales, shipping offers that I have. And why don't we get out in the river and show you how these stinking things work.